So just join me in Pro Tools as we continue with the other instruments. So again, let's move to this cello right here. I know this is something in my patch template, a very interesting cello sound, but here's the before. And here's what we're doing. Okay, so as you can hear, things are moving left to right. So first plugin on here is the Neve. So I'm boosting 1.6. I'm boosting 3.4. I think that's all I'm doing. And then this is Kush Audio. Let's hear what this is doing. Drive plus compression, everything combined to make it thicker. Because I can see here that it's pretty dynamic here, right? So a lot of low volume, a lot of high volume. So to control that, so it's consistent. So let's hear it. I'm gonna put it in. You can argue, man. Look at how that sounds. It's the plugin doing it, not me. It's a good plugin. So you can click on here. It's hidden here, cheat code, to see exactly what this is. Threshold. It has this, what is it called? Magnetic EQ. All of them sound different. Steel, cobalt, iron, nickel. And then drive right here. So pusher, don't sleep on Kush. That's a very good plugin. And then I'm using the Decapitator Pan Man to add some movement here. Then next, seems like I'm adding a compressor. Let's see what that is doing. And then last one here is Echo Boy. Maybe trying to add some space. Let's hear it. I'm gonna push it up so we can hear. Okay, that sounds good. Sounds good even when I crank it up. So that's all we're doing. Let me bypass it. I think we already did that. I'm gonna bypass this. I would reduce, I think, now that I'm just hearing this in solo anyways, but I would change the parallel mix maybe to like 50. Don't like how it's grabbing, the compressor is grabbing some of the audio, right? A little more gentle, yeah. So I think that's better. So that'll be a change that I will make. And then I'm sending it to a reverb too. Same reverb, but very low volume. Because I don't want to make it drown in reverb to where I lose the dry signal. No, the dry signal is what is making the song, right? Not the reverb, because this is a very hard song. Okay, and then we have this one here. So using this again, boosting like 3 dB at 1.6, and then MV2 doing its thing. Yeah, the change is very subtle here.